So this will be my housing. It's Kantorsgatan 32, the red building. So to go in here we have an access key, but also we can use this key in this. It's so busy in the morning. And you can see some rooms. We have only also, but I used to use these stairs because I'm only in the second floor. Yeah. There's also 3 corridors in the right and 3 corridors in the left. And my corridor is in the end of the left. Let's see, that's my corridor. That's my name, Adi Prasetya 270. Okay, let's go into the corridor. So this is Kantorsgatan 32 in the corridor room 270. And this is the kitchen. We can see there are 2 refrigerators and a table for 3 people, a stove, a microwave, and this was many racks for the food or the stuffs like plates and etc. There's also a water heater. So I just want to tell you that this Kantorsgatan 270 will be shared for 3 persons. There's the first one. And then this is the third room. And this is my room. There are 2 bedrooms in this corridor, student corridor. And then this is one of the cupboard that we have. So the cupboard is not in our room, but it's in front of our room. Okay, I will turn on the light. And this is the bedroom. There's a bathtub in the first bedroom, not too big but very comfortable. A water closet with a jet shower and a wash towel. There's also a shower in the bathtub. Okay guys, let's move to our room, to my room. So this is my room, very comfortable. So when I first moved here, the stuff was only a chair, a carpet, then the desk, also this small, cupboard and the bed. And this is my stuff, not so much. So not so complete, but I think it's already can fulfill our needs for the first time we move here. And actually I got a good place because in my neighbor in this student corridor, he's very nice and I think he's a clean person. So when I see the kitchen is always clean. I can imagine that he was a very clean person and I like it. I love that. Okay, this is my room, and you can also open the window to see what's the scenery of my room. So this is how I open the window. I must scenery, a highway, I think, and cars. Also in this one there's a heater, and we have this power supply there and there. Oh yeah, for your information, the bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom again. The bathroom. So the bathroom has warm water also, and you can also drink the water because it's drinkable in the tap water here in Uppsala. Okay, let's go back. That's all. If you like to know more about my corridor, especially Kantorsgatan to room 270, you can comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.